I don't know if I exceeded already 2 hours because yeah, the free parking here is just 2 hours. More than that, I need to pay I think $6. And we are now here in Merryweather. It is actually hot now, but still windy, and the wind is just nice, so it's still good to wear a long sleeve. Look at this, there is one camper van. Yeah, it's very good looking inside, a lot of books, so the owner reads a lot. And here's how it is here. There are lots of people, and you know my dashcam, it is going to record a time lapse while the engine is up. Yeah, it's nice. I have a link in the description if you want to try that dashcam. It's very nice. And I noticed at the back there is one guy, I think he is living in his car. Yeah, he's having all those kind of blanket, very messy inside of his car. There is also a bed, he is setting his bed. He is not a traveler, I think he is a homeless who decided to just stay in the car. You know, sometimes I am thinking of just leaving or staying here in the car, but yeah, I'm not ready. I mean, I love my comfortability, I love my comfort zone being in the house. Yeah, I don't know, maybe in the future I will be traveling and will stay here in the van. Look at that guy. He set his camera on his car, and yeah, he is being carried away by the wind. Look at that. The wind is actually very strong, and yeah, this van is moving, keep on shaking. Look at that. Yeah, he's being carried away by the wind. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is where I sleep last night. And there are also other vans and cars that are staying here. And there is another van in here. It's similar to my van. And looks like this guy is homeless. Yeah, I can see from here that the van inside has a lot of messy stuff. House stuff. And there is even the... what's that? The bed, the mattress, the bike, and some other thing. He also got a motorcycle, an expensive brand of motorcycle. So I think he left his apartment and decided to stay in his van. For sure that motorcycle is not possible to get inside his van because he has a bed in the van. Yeah. Another thing is that brand of motorcycle. Yeah, that is very heavy. Very heavy, as in very heavy. Yeah, if you remember Inigo's motorcycle, the same brand with that. And we tried to put it inside the van we rented before. Yeah, and it was three of us who transported it, who carried it to the inside of the van. Yeah, I noticed a lot of people these days, they are living or staying on their car, on their vehicle. Like yesterday, I've shown to you yesterday, there is one guy on his car. The reason for that is a very expensive house rent. Yeah, if you remember, my house rent is before, with my previous landlord, it was just $250 every week. But now, with my new landlord, it's $350. Yeah. But, yeah, like what I've said, I'm still not going to give up my comfortability of living in the house. Yeah, I can still manage with my salary. My salary is not much, but yeah, I can still live the good life. Living in the house with expensive rent. And still able to experience this thing. Okay, that's it. We're going to move to another place. Maybe in the same place where we are yesterday. It's beautiful there.
Entering time lapse.
I went outside to use the toilet. Yeah, that side. And it was cold. Very cold. Yeah, but we're not going to stay here. We're going to stay in the higher part. Okay, this is where I'm going to stay for a little bit. Yeah, nice view. This is where I'm going to have my coffee and banana bread. Yeah, the banana bread is cold in the fridge, but it's okay. This one, there is a very cute kid. He's wearing a raincoat. Yeah, that kid. Oh, I decided I'm going outside to walk around. Yeah, but for sure outside is cold and windy. But it is raining now. And actually there's a heavy rain in the water far away. And this is actually how it is here. Yeah, no one is swimming, no one is surfing. There's no one on the beach. Compared to yesterday, a lot of people on that side. Even on the Merryweather side. Yesterday was sunny in the morning, and then there was a rain, very cold, windy, and until now it is like that. Yeah, we're going to walk around while having this coffee.